Welcome to Donnell Ford Lincoln of Salem, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with leather-wrapped steering wheel, tire pressure monitoring system, keyless entry, heated front seats, electronic stability control, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, parking sensors, air conditioning, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Donnell Ford Lincoln, we strive to provide the best car buying experience for all of our customers. Our low-pressure staff and master certified sales consultants are here to make sure that you drive home in a vehicle that is just right for you. Come discover the Donnell difference. You'll be glad you did. Donnell Ford Lincoln of Salem is located at 152 Continental Drive in Salem.